Hey everyone, Gil at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about laundry supplies. Now, on Camp Pat and Family Compound, my other channel, it's been about 2 weeks, or coming up on 2 weeks. The topic was clothing allergies. And one of the things about the allergies in clothing was that some of the chemicals they use when they're processing the fibers and stuff, like even for cotton and wool, they use formaldehyde. And you need to be able to get that out. So you need to have a good laundry detergent that it itself does not cause clothing allergies. So you want to have your proper laundry supplies to be able to get your clothes clean and not irritate your skin. And it's not just your skin you got to worry about. If you got little kids, they need to make sure their skin's not getting irritated either. So make sure you have plenty of good laundry supplies, good detergent, good additives and stuff, the borax boost and stuff like that. You don't want to have the scented add-on stuff where they put the beads in the washer to make your clothes smell nice. Those are chemicals that are being added on, and those actually cause clothing allergies. And also, you don't want to use the fabric softener sheets in the dryer, because that kicks out paraffin that builds up on the inside of the dryer, builds up on the inside of the ducting, and can cause fires. So you want to be safe in your laundry supplies, but you want to have plenty of laundry supplies to get the job done. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, and the things to keep that clothing clean. Learn a new skill every month and grow an indoor garden. Grow food that's safe and healthy for you.